On Tuesday night in Joplin, Missouri, tornado sirens went off once again. I am traversing through the storm damage, and this hopefully should give you a picture of the wrath that all these storms are giving, even 48 hours after the F5 tornado has hit this city. Sideways pelting rain, high winds, and almost inconceivable conditions. The temperature has dropped. The tornado sirens have gone off here in Joplin, Missouri. Already displaced residents took shelter at this local hotel. This room, reinforced with double walls of concrete, held the elderly and children. And at another deadly tornadic night in America, more storms on the way. Robert Ray, Associated Press, Joplin, Missouri.